So this is a complete unit. This is on the left hand side, this is the controller. This is an MPPT controller. It basically takes a DC and changes it into AC. So that makes it compatible. Then on this side you've got the 15 amp fuses, and this is the Sonoff temperature sensor. This is the the timer. This is the sensor that basically once you install this at the geyser, you make this hybrid. So then it works off your phone from a smart home app, basically. And then your utility or Eskom goes through the timer, and the DC comes in that side. So it's a plug and play unit, very simple. And then the thermostat in that side. There's the thermostat. That's basically also. You only attach this at the geyser about 2 meters from the geyser, on the beams, on the wooden beams, and that's your complete unit.